Run errands with us here in Manila. The baby love is here. Meron tayong asikasuhin mga maliliit na bagay for his trip. First stop, Robinsons, Manila. And we're here. We're looking for a place to eat. Choice number 1, choice number 2, choice number 3, and the winner is... And that is a success. Next, maghahanap naman kami ng bibili ng bag ni Baby Love. Let's try here. This is what they have. I like this. Looks nice. Meron din silang mga skirts. Oh, I like this. And meron silang ano sa ilalim mo. Nice. This looks nice. That's not a success. Let's check Uniqlo. And we're here. I think I need to start investing na sa magagandang, like, quality clothes na pang matagalan. Pero ayoko kasi nung maraming yung may malalaking label or brand na nakasulat. And we're here. We're here. I don't know how to feel about this. I like that one. Kasya ba yan sa akin? Next, we're here. Naalala ko pa rin siya minsan. This store got my attention. And we're here. We're here. And that is a success. Finally, makikita ko na si Bambosaur on a chorn.